I want to squish it. Whoa!
I'm squishing mine too. Wait, yours makes sounds when you press it. No matter how much I squish mine, it doesn't make any sound.
That's because yours and mine are different. Mine is the new Baroque liquid glass slime. It even has decorations inside. The colors look really pretty when you stretch it. And when you pull it, new colors start blending together. The more you stretch it, the longer it gets. It's super fun to play with and really relaxing too. If you roll it into a ball and squish it, it makes popping sounds. And you can even add butterfly decorations on top, which makes it look even prettier. If you want one too, hit like and subscribe.